Alright, so here I have the brand new Samsung Galaxy Nexus from Google, and we're just gonna do a unboxing of it, check out what's inside, and we'll go from there. So this one I picked up from I'm in Canada. I got this from Virgin Mobile. It retails for $649, and it just got officially released today on December the 8th. This is the first Google ice cream sandwich 4.0 build, and so we'll take a look what's inside. So this phone is a Google phone, pure Google, so it'll be unlocked to work on all carriers. It has a pentaband, so it should work on all frequencies. And here it is. I'll lay that to the side. Got a quick start guide in French, Canada. What else we got? We got this is the North American version, so this is it doesn't have the European 3-pronged outlet. It looks very iPhone-esque. What else do we have? We have our earbuds, and we have a basic USB to micro USB charging, and we have our battery. This is, I believe, 1750 milliamp. Double check. Indeed, it is 1750. And we'll open it up and plop it into our Samsung Galaxy Nexus. So this phone has a 4.65-inch Super AMOLED display, and it has a 720p HD display, as you can see. The back's very plasticky, very Samsung-esque. So she'll prop in our battery. I'll put in my SIM card. So if you haven't seen the Samsung Galaxy S2, the back is very, very similar. It's got that little clips on the back, which are very hassle to put in. Yeah, putting the battery in the back is probably the most difficult thing to do on this phone. Alright, it's all on. We'll power it up for the first time. Oh, it's Google. So this is the 4.65-inch display, 720p. So it has a 300 somewhat ppi density, so it should be very, very clear. It's got 16 gigabytes of internal memory. It has no external SD slot, so it's either you buy a 16 gig or a 32 one, which 32 one has not been released yet. So we live in No Canada. It's alright. We use the United States. Start. Sign in, not now. All services, sure. Personalize apps. Just put it in. Alright. Agree. Okay, finish. It's faster than I expected. Put your favorite apps here. Alright. And let's take this off. So, very, very smooth. We'll bring in my old Samsung Galaxy Vibrant just for comparison. as you can see, it's much larger, 4-inch display versus 4.65 inch. Thickness, length. Alright, that's I've got some new messages already. Let's go take a look at the face unlock feature. If I can find it, let me take a look. National security. Let's see. Alright, face unlock. Obviously you wouldn't use this for, if you're absolutely paranoid about your phone losing it, but something fun to use. Get my face in there. Alright, captured my face. Continue. Do a pattern. Okay. Take a look. Let's try again. Obviously, this isn't working very well. Let's give it one more go. And there you have it. So try it again. Obviously the camera's in the way, so let me know if you'd like to see anything specific about the phone. This is the first look at the ice cream sandwich. We've got 3 capacitor buttons, the back, the home, recent apps, drop down, and there you have it. So this has been our first unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Nexus, and subscribe.